Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using Snapchat Spotlight. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Spotlight is a new feature that Snapchat has brought out. It is similar to TikTok and Instagram Reels. I will show you how to view Spotlight videos and how to create them also. Not everyone has Spotlight available to them yet. So if you don't see it on your Snapchat, then you will just have to wait until it arrives in your country. To get to Spotlight, from the camera screen of Snapchat, tap on the play icon in the bottom right corner. To scroll through the spotlights, just swipe up and you will get to the next video. You can tap on the heart icon in the bottom right to like a video, and you can also tap the send icon below the heart to share the video. You can choose to copy the video link or use any of the other sharing options here, or you can share it with one of your Snapchat friends directly. If you tap on the three dots button in the bottom right corner below the share button, some options will appear. You can choose to dislike the video or subscribe to the Snapchat user who created it. You can also see the hashtags or topics that are attached to that video, and tap on them to explore more videos with that hashtag. To create your own Spotlight video, you need to tap on the camera icon to get to the camera screen, and then just record your video as you normally would. You can add all the same effects and music as usual. When you are happy with your video, tap on Send To. Now you need to tap on Spotlight at the top of the sending options. You will now have to read the information on the pop-up and then tap OK to accept the Spotlight terms and privacy policy. Tap on Send in the bottom right corner and your video will be posted to Spotlight. Note that your video will be reviewed by Snapchat to make sure that it meets Snapchat's guidelines, and if it does not meet the guidelines, it will not be published. If one of your Spotlight videos gets very popular or goes viral, then Snapchat may pay you for the video if you meet their payment requirements. You will have to read the Spotlight terms and conditions to see a full list of conditions for payment, as there are quite a lot. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.